streets of a town where the lanterns glow lived a boy named Richard, just 2 years old. His father was gone, taken by fate's cruel hand, leaving his mother to stand brave and alone in the land. She worked through the dawn, through the sweat and the pain, sewing and selling to keep them alive through the rain. But the coins were too few and the debts piled high, so she knelt at the altar of a wealthy man's life. Oh, Richard's road was never paved with gold, just the weight of a heart that was brave and bold. Through the storms and the shadows he'd find his way, a light in the darkness, come what may. At 9 years old, he was left in their care, a stepmother's house with a chill in the air. No kindness was given, no love to be found, just the sting of her words and the scars they would ground. One night he ran with the stars as his guide to a church where the doors open wide. The priest gave him shelter, a bowl and a bed, and Richard swore he'd rise from the ashes instead. At 18 he stood in a soldier's array, a uniform stitched with the price he would pay. Off to the war where the cannons would roar, but Richard walked tall, he'd be broken no more. Oh, Richard's road was never paved with gold, just the weight of a heart that was brave and bold. Through the storms and the shadows he'd find his way, a light in the darkness, come what may. So sing of the boy who was lost but not gone, who turned every sorrow to a strength he'd lean on. For Richard's road led him far, far and wide, a testament written